Hi, everyone. I'm Mark, along with my wife Sherry, my grandson John, and my granddaughter Abby. We are the Product Review Geeks, shooting this video on the 22nd day of March, 2026. Let's talk a little bit about work from home scams. I wanted to kind of make a little video about this. But let's talk about, real money takes work to get. Online scammers, they work hard to get your money. Don't let them work harder than you. You know, they send you a text, well, you've got a speeding ticket or something, or a toll road ticket or something. I've got a couple of them already. Or they'll call you and tell you that you owe the IRS money. It's just, they're all a bunch of scams. The IRS, if you owe them money, they'll send you a letter. They'll send somebody to your house if you owe them enough money. So don't let these people fool you. I'm going to list, what do we got? 8 of them. 8 of the top 10 work from home scams. Free PayPal money. There ain't no such thing as free. You got to work for what you get. You'll see ads. I just made $1,236 in free PayPal money, or something, close to that. You'll see a YouTube video about it. You're expecting to get free money from PayPal. It should have PayPal in the address, in the web address, and a little green lock in the front of that. Just always verify. The binary option scam, cryptocurrency scam. If somebody's telling you you're going to make Bitcoin a day doing this or that, no, don't believe them. With the value of Bitcoin being so high and everything, if you've got Bitcoin, keep your Bitcoin, or don't work for something. I did this thing one time. I can't remember what the name of it was, but if you put ads on the internet and then you get ads on there, they pay you so much per ad. Well, I did this for like a week, and I said, well, where's my money? Well, you got to do this for 30 days. So I did a couple of weeks, and I'm thinking, wow, man, what's going on here? So I did 30 days of it. I put an ad on there every day for 30 days. That's 30 ads. So then I messaged the people and I said, yeah, I'm done with the 30 days. Send me my money. And then they sent me this thing trying to get my Google information. So we know it was a big scam. So just be careful with stuff like that. 30 days, I worked for probably an hour a day for 30 days. That's 30 hours of my life I wasted. I'll never get back. All right, what else do we got here? A friendly hacker scam. They've got things where, check your computer. We'll remotely fix your computer, and then you give them access to your computer and boom, you don't get your information back until you pay them. That's another big scam right there too. Don't do anything online like that because they're just out to get your money. People are always friendly when it comes to getting your money. Verify everything with facts. Because if it sounds too good to be true, it is. The fake guru scam, fake celebrity endorsement. Yeah, that should speak for itself, really. A celebrity will endorse. Most celebrities don't endorse stuff like that. So always be wary about stuff like that. Comments and link scams. You can get paid to write comments, or here's one I tried. Questionnaires and like that, surveys. Oh, that's one of the biggest scams there is, surveys. I did surveys one time. You get to the end of the survey, we're sorry, you don't qualify. So you've just wasted 10 minutes of your time or 20 minutes of your time doing a survey that don't pay anyways. So be wary with them. There's a lot of legitimate things out there. Online, here it is right there. Online surveys. Right there. Online surveys. 99.9% of these are a scam. So avoid them like the plague. It just explains everything to you. Let's not get into this here. The secrets. This is some secrets they have. When we think of scammers, we think of a lone wolf who was prowling the internet looking to fleece us out of bugs. that is the case. But you would be astonished to know that scamming is actually a very complex business, usually conducted offshore with hundreds of employees. They've got this big room where they have all these people in there calling you or texting you like that. It's really sophisticated. Nigerian letter scam. Oh, I got one of them once. So I called them, and they wanted me to send them money or come over there or whatever. There's a lot of people that got scammed by that, so be careful with that. Legitimate work from home opportunities. Here we go. And we're going to touch on these. There are 3 ways to make money using the internet: your talents, your assets, and your resourcefulness. Your car, home, stuff you want to sell. You can sell stuff on eBay. We sell stuff on eBay all the time. We'll buy out a warehouse or something full of stuff. I got a garage back here. We'll put it in the garage and we'll sell it on eBay. You can make money doing that. Your abilities, your skills, your interests, or hobbies. If you're good at something, put that to use on the internet. Affiliate marketing. That's something that we do, and we're very successful at it. And you can do it too, but you just got to be careful. How to make money from your talents. You contract jobs. You can start a business. Typist, transcripting, audio files, walking dogs, working remotely, freelancing. You can do tasks. You can do online tutoring. If you got a car or a truck, you can deliver even a scooter or something like that. You can do Lyft and Uber. You can deliver groceries. You can move furniture and like that. TaskRabbit, they call that one. Your house or apartment, Airbnb. If you got you can charge, $100, $200 a day to let somebody. We rented a place up one time up in Kentucky, Airbnb. We went to Kentucky Kingdom up there. And this guy owned this house. He would rent it out, and he would stay at his parents' house down the road. So he would make money while staying at his parents' house down there. It was a really nice house, too. But, mind you, if you're going to rent somebody's home, be respectful of it. E-commerce, the market's kind of flooded with that. But if you got something unique, that's good. You can on eBay and Amazon. eBay's pretty simple. I tried Amazon before, but there's a lot of hoops to jump through on Amazon, so you got to be careful with Amazon. You can make money on it, though, but there's a lot of courses online. Oh, I made all this money, all these products that replens, they call. You buy stuff at one store and you sell it on Amazon. You got to be careful because sometimes you can lose your shirt, because I've been there, done that. Got a T-shirt and video. Make money from your resourcefulness. Let's skip this here. Affiliate marketing is the most lucrative work-from-home opportunity there is. You can get started fairly inexpensive. You just get a product, advertise it. Facebook, YouTube, all the social media sites. You can buy paid ads. You can write blog posts. In fact, I'm going to leave you a link below the video. We have a marketing funnel. That's the best way, I think, to get into affiliate marketing is with a marketing funnel. I'll explain more. Just follow the link, sign up, and we'll show you how to do it. It's very lucrative. Amazon, now Target, Walmart affiliate. It's hard to get into some of these. These are things, but they don't pay as much. Digistore 24, you can sell stuff online. They've got some other ones too. ClickBank. I use some products on ClickBank. I got Warrior Plus. They've got some other ones too. It can take time to build up your business in the beginning. You have to be devoted to consistent, hard effort towards making it grow. Your niche customers are out there, but you have to figure out the smartest way to reach them. Take full advantage of the vendors' trademarks, logos, and marketing materials. Don't copy someone else's campaign. Stay committed to your goals. Be passionate about the product. You can use social media as free marketing tools. Beware of your account landing you in jail or spammy behavior. Don't spam people, Suggest things. That's the best way to do it. Suggest. But I did this, but I used this and it worked better for me. Just casually suggest things. Don't try to say, oh, buy this, You got to be smart about it. What else do we got here? Instagram and Twitter. Set up your Instagram, Twitter. Just use common sense, really. Facebook. Quora, I use that too. People ask a lot of questions on some of these sites like this. Facebook groups, stuff like that. Get your message out there. You got to have eyeballs on your message. Marketing is one of the most important things you can learn. When you visit our website and sign up, you'll learn all this stuff. Find your niche audience through Google. Do research, research, research. LinkedIn. Set up your LinkedIn profile. To connect further, this guy, John Crestani, he's pretty good as far as marketing and stuff goes. He's really good at that. I learned a little bit from him, but I learned from Russell Brunson. I like Russell Brunson. He's really good. And I got another friend of mine, Lee Murray. He's good too at what he does. So follow the link below the video. It'll take you to our website. Sign up, and we'll send you free information. I mean, we're here to help you. That's our goal, to help as many people as we can. Zig Ziglar said, you can get anything you want in life if you help enough people get what they want in life. So this is Mark from the Product Review Geeks, signing off, saying thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again in our next video.